YouTubers. What to do when Windows 11 can't connect to a network? Few things are as frustrating as a computer that won't connect to the internet. This article will step you through some fixes when your Windows 11 PC won't connect to a network. Why can't I connect to a network? Wireless networks are complex because there are several points for failure. From the Wi-Fi switch to a software conflict, router issue, and ESP problem, finding out where the network fault is can be difficult. The common reasons for why Windows won't connect to a network are misconfigured settings and physical distance from the network sources. But there are also several other possible causes. Wi-Fi is turned off. A piece of software has broken the connection. The network that requires unique authentication. Or the network is overcrowded. How do I fix network connection problems? Given all the possible reasons for network issues in Windows 11, walk through these tips in order, testing after each one to see if the problem has been resolved. Double check it's really a Windows 11 problem. There is no reason to troubleshoot it as a computer issue when it is also affecting other devices on the network. For example, if your phone, smart speakers, or other computers are all able to reach the internet normally, you can safely assume that the issue lies with your Windows 11 PC and you can continue these steps. But if nothing else is working, review these general tips for where you can't reach the internet. You may need to contact your ESP or wait it out. This is also a good time to verify whether the problem is really just an issue with the one website or with your computer as a whole. If you are able to reach Google, YouTube, or with Twitter, for example, from your Windows 11 PC, but your bank website won't load, then the problem rests with that one site, not with your computer or your network. Contacting that site or waiting are your only real options. See how to tell if a website is down for everyone or just for you, just for you. For more, reboot your computer. Restarting is a common troubleshooting step for most electronics and could be all that's needed to fix the Windows 11 network problem. The fastest way to restart from the desktop is to right-click the Start button and go to Shutdown or Sign Out, then Restart. Verify Wi-Fi is turned on or the Ethernet cable is securely attached to the computer and modem router. This is absolutely necessary and will result in no internet connectivity if unaddressed. Some laptops have a physical switch which must be toggled to enable Wi-Fi. Others use a key combination such as FN plus F5 or FN plus F2. A Wi-Fi toggle is also available in settings, network and internet Wi-Fi. Forget the Wi-Fi network. Forget the Wi-Fi network and then re-edit it. Similar to rebooting your PC, this will start the connection from a clean state. There might be an issue with with the way the Wi-Fi details were saved the first time, or something on your computer corrupted the information. This also provides an opportunity to re-enter the SSID and password, which could have been submitted incorrectly the first time. After deleting the connection, return to the settings and go to Network and Internet, Wi-Fi, Manage Now Network, and Added Network to set it up again. Move closer to the device delivering the network connection. If you are using a Wi-Fi, a network can only reach so far, and some devices can't catch a signal from a long distance. Inching closer to the access point or moving it closer to you if possible is the easiest way to eliminate distance as the reason for why you can't get online. If you have confirmed this is the problem but relocating your computer or router is not possible, consider upgrading to a router which can broadcast the signal further or connect an external wireless network adapter to your computer. Choose the wireless network manually. You might be close and everything could be set up correctly, but if Windows 11 is not told to connect automatically, it might appear to be a network issue. Go to Network and Internet, then Wi-Fi. Show available network to find the Wi-Fi network. Select it and choose Connect automatically and then connect. Open a web browser and follow the steps for connecting to the network. This is required in most cases after choosing a public Wi-Fi network. You won't see this on other ones like your home network. You might need to confirm your information on that page, usually your email address and name, but sometimes other details like your room number if you are in a hotel. In cases like on an airplane, you might need to pay for access. Temporarily turn off all the networks related tools, which could be interfering with Windows' ability to use the network. Here are some examples. Disable airplane mode, disconnect from the VPN server, shut off the firewall and pause the antivirus software. Toggle off the method connection settings. Check the network driver. It could need updated or reverted to the previous driver if a recent update broke it. The easiest way to update the driver is to download it from a computer that has a working internet connection and then copy it to your Windows 11 PC. And then when a recent update is possible by rolling back the driver. Some driver updater tools let you scan the computer for missing or updated drivers and then easily download them from a PC that has a valid network connection. It makes the identifying the correct driver really easy. Check for Windows updates. If a driver update didn't fix it or an update wasn't necessary, there might a network erratic bug fix from Windows update. Use the built-in Windows Network troubleshooter to identify and fix problems related to the network. Get there through settings, system, then troubleshoot other troubleshooters, then internet connections. Reset the network settings by going to Settings, then Network and Internet, Advanced Network Settings, Network Reset, Reset Now. This will reinstall network adapter and reset the core network component to their default state. There might be nothing you can do. Step 1. Touch it on this. In many cases, a device that can't connect to a Wi-Fi network is merely part of a bigger problem that's out of your control. For example, if you are using a public network, like in a cafe or airport, it is possible there are simply too many people online at once. Bandwidth is not unlimited, so at some point a maximum number of devices will be reached and depending on what they are doing. In example, downloading or streaming, it could be maxed out sooner than you'd expect. In this kind of situation, there is really nothing you can do from your computer to fix it. Some issues are related to your ESP or the network device you are using. If your whole town is out of internet, for example, it's pretty clear that performing the above steps in this tutorial won't help you get online. Similarly, and this is easier to realize, if you have multiple devices attempting a connection, your router might be outdated or malfunctioning. If so, updating the router, upgrading to a newer one, or resetting the router are some things you can try. So that's the end of the video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. Do me a favor and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. I hope you are doing well, guys. See you soon at the phone tutorials. Bye.